here at the Courtyard Magnificent Mile, Chicago.
Oh my gosh. I was like, should I say this? Because I know Tom.
It's my very first KONE Delta.
But then that was even better. I do have a big ass. Oh wow. Piece of bacon.
Here we are.
This is like hot chicken.
You'll accept.
Yep.
Redstone. Oh, you need to see us going up a little too. Go ahead.
You have a good one. Yeah, everything above is locked. Oh well, we still made it up most of the way.
Yeah, those buttons are really cool. I just pushed the lower lobby.
And this is my very first time seeing Delta. It's amazing it took me this long, but
You almost saw one, didn't you?
better late than never.
Did you find out what year these were from?
I don't know, but I'd assume mid-2000s.
They are kind of neat.
Alright. Maybe we'll get another ride, maybe not, but let's see. Alright, let's see if anyone else gets on. We'll end on the lower level. Oh, we're going up.
There we go. Where we're headed to now.
And I'll end in the lower level when we're done. I have no idea what that lady was screaming about. Almost there. Lobby?
Yes.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh no. Not crowded in here.
Okay, we're good.
Here we are. All right.
It might be too late for us.
There it goes. That'll be it.